A new report is revealing just how much violence against school staff has escalated during the pandemic.
And now many of those staff members say that they are done. They just want to quit. A third of teachers surveyed by the American Psychological Association say they've experienced at least one act of verbal or physical violence during the pandemic. Up to 34% say they were interested in leaving their careers. Teachers unfortunately expected this type of impact. Lisa Morgan with the Georgia Association of Educators say that students are carrying trauma, many having lost a family member or loved one over the last 2 years.
We know that trauma impacts children in many different ways, and we are seeing that trauma evidenced in their behavior and the actions that are happening in our schools right now.
It's important to keep in mind here for younger children, their first experience of school started during the pandemic. So a lot of the how-tos, rituals, and expectations they learned in a pandemic environment and likely don't have the verbal skills to express themselves. The classroom is also often a place where kids feel safe enough to express themselves. And because of this, Morgan says more help is needed to address those issues in our schools.
At this point, we need more counselors, social workers. We need more caring adults in our buildings to help our children process what has happened over the past 2 years.
The authors of the study agree. They say federal policies are needed to establish training and mental health programs for educators.